Well, first of the year, so many people do the resolution about money, and we've got the resolution genie here.
That's right, Bev Boling, CEO of Horizon Credit Union. So glad that you're here today because we learn something every time you're here.
Oh man, I wish I was a guru.
No, it was a genie.
Oh, I would put that in a bottle too.
Well, you know, Kathy Kennedy's coming up next, and
yeah.
so I want to plan my next vacation, but I might be a little short of cash, so can you help me out for a vacation money?
We have vacation
Do you?
loans. Yes, we like to go places too.
Yes, I know.
You know, we have every loan for every need, and it's like a season for vacations and a season for Christmas loans, and basically they're just a spin-off of our personal loans.
Okay.
So, you know, the best thing in the whole wide world to have is a personal line of credit. And you come in and you get pre-approved and you have this line of credit, and when you need money, you advance it yourself. You can do it on virtual branch or over the phone.
Oh.
So you don't have to go through all the process every time you need some money. You can put it in your checking account. You can then, you know, maybe pay a bill out of bill pay on virtual branch. It's just really cool to have that.
All right, with my debit card that I've got through you, is that the same thing? No.
You have to kind of attach it. You have to go in and advance it on your
Okay.
personal line of credit into your checking, and then you can withdraw it with your debit card.
So I need to come see you today and get my,
Yes,
Yes.
your PLC.
I love it when she spells.
With your CHIP in the debit card, the chip in the debit
Yes.
card. I love
Yes.
that. So much
So
easier.
the chip is safer.
Yes, the chip actually has technology that changes the codes and the security codes every little bit so that you never have, you know, the magnetic strip had the same information. So once they were able to retrieve your magnetic strip, they had your stuff. And this way it changes all the time. So that's why the chip in the card is so much safer.
My wife was asking me, and I said, I don't know, but I know somebody who does.
Yes.
You are the answer lady. So the personal loan, it's the same as the vacation loan. You just put a different label on it.
Well, you can have a different loan if you know that you're going, like I'm going to go to Hawaii, and I could do a Hawaii loan, and I could make sure that I designated that and call it my vacation loan, or I could just make it a part of my PLC. It just depends on how you want to set it up.
Nice. So I like that cash advance because like right now, if you need to pay, say a deposit on a vacation, but you don't have the deposit, but you know the money's coming in maybe from income tax return or whatever, you've got that advanced, and then you just pay it off when that comes in. It's always there. It's convenient.
And it's so very cool whenever you have this situation, you know, your Sunday afternoon and your TV goes dead, you need a new TV, and you're like, well, just advance that and go buy you a TV. Or if you're at the dentist office and you need to get a crown, you know, anything that you would need that you had unexpected,
I didn't know
you
you could
already
get-
have the funds.
You can get crowns at the
Dentist
Oh, you
office.
mean dentist.
Crowns? I'm not here.
He already has a crown, no fair. But one thing I've had a question a lady asked me is about your mortgage loans.
Okay.
She was considering redoing her loan, refinancing. You guys can do that as well, helping with that.
Yeah. We can do cash out refinances. We can refinance just to lower your interest rate and lower your term. New purchase, FHA, VA. We have absolutely a brand new mortgage loan center headed up by Vicki Fields, and we're very excited.
She's fantastic.
She
because
is.
you guys take a look at everything that people have, loans, mortgage loans and things, and that would actually, if she could refinance, would free up some money, and that's kind of what you guys look. You look at a little bit of everything and, oh, what can we do with this and what can we do with that?
Oh, and a lot of times everybody's interested in making you fit in their program, and you have to fit this in this peg in this hole, and that's not what we do. We go in and we're like, okay, instead of doing a 20-year loan, why don't you do a 17-year loan? because that way your payment will stay the same and you can cut 3 years off, and just looking at the different aspects and not just trying to make you fit in a program.
And these are options that people don't even know until they sit down with people like Vicki,
Yeah.
who is ready. She knows more about it than anybody I've ever met.
Oh, Vicky's.
Yes.
She is the queen of lending.
She is. She definitely is. So stop by one of their locations. Got 4 convenient locations, and you guys have got a big event coming up in February.
We do. We're going to have the grand opening celebration of the Crown Point branch, which is at 1201 Northeast Monroe when you turn into Food City. And then we're also celebrating our 85th annual meeting.
Wow.
The credit union was formed in 1932 when 7 City of Kingsport employees chartered Municipal Employees Credit Union.
And look how far you've become and where you are now.
I know,
How
shoot,
proud.
That's a long time ago, wasn't it?
You look fantastic.
Yeah. Everybody says, well, how old were you then?
You have
Crowns
been-
weren't on sale, so I'm back.
Oh, you're back.
Yeah.
Oh. You have been with them the longest, and that's why it's where it is. You've done a fantastic job, babe.
Well,
Go to
thank you.
Horizon Credit Union, one of their 4 locations. Stop by and say, hey, tell them you saw it on Good Day.